It will get deafening here in a couple minutes when all the dog teams start showing up. This is the 8 dog that was supposed to be 20 miles. Unfortunately, because of this winter, 3 of the lakes that we were supposed to run, we couldn't get across. So we narrowed it down to 12 miles. And then this week, the final lake that we were going to use, we couldn't get across again. So they're actually going to go out and do the 6-mile course, come back in almost to the finish, turn and go back out and do another 4-mile lake, and then come back into the finish.
Go, next team!
They have 1,000-mile races up there where they run 14 dogs on a team. So it'll be linked to this team plus add 6 more dogs onto this team. In Anchorage, when the Idea Run starts on the first weekend of March, they actually walk the teams up, they take the snow hook on the sled and they put it into a truck tire. That truck tire is tied to a semi-truck that's full, loaded full, 48-foot semi-truck. By the time the 40 teams leave the line for that race, they've actually moved that semi-truck about 3 or 4 feet down the road.